Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through the manual installation of the UserWay widget on your Wix site. If you're looking for the app installation guide, go ahead and follow this link. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the UserWay page. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add the new site to your list and you will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in into your UserWay dashboard at userway.org. Go to the top right menu, find My Embed Script, and copy the script or code you'll find there. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find in the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in the Wix dashboard. I'm in the Wix dashboard. I'll show you where to paste your code. On the left menu, scroll down and go to Settings. In the resulting page, you will see all the settings options. Scroll down until you find the Advanced section. That's where the custom code option is. Click on it. In the page that comes up, on the top right, click on the Add Custom Code button. In the window that pops up, paste the code snippet in the first text field. Below, in the name field, write the name UserWay so it will be easier for you to identify later. Make sure the Add Code to All Pages option is selected. And select Place Code in Body End. Then click on Apply in the bottom right corner. You're all set! Preview your Wix site to make sure you've installed the UserWay widget correctly. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.